Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove Volkswagen Jetta seats. First, ensure your safety by disconnecting the car battery's negative terminal. This prevents accidental airbag deployment or electrical shorts. Next, move the front seats all the way forward to easily access the rear mounting bolts. Finally, carefully pry off the plastic covers that conceal these bolts on the seat rails. Now use a triple square bit, often an M10, to loosen and remove the 4 bolts securing each front seat to the floor. There are 2 in the front and 2 in the back. Once the bolts are out, carefully tilt the seat backward to expose the electrical connectors underneath. Disconnect all harnesses, including those for airbags and seat heaters, before lifting the seat out.
Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding these tips helpful for your Jetta project, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. And speaking of projects, staying hydrated is key. I highly recommend the Owala water bottle to keep your drinks cold and accessible while you work. Check the description for a link to the Owala bottle and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
Removing the rear bench seat is usually quite straightforward. Locate the 2 retaining clips, typically found at the front base of the bench, near where your knees would be. Firmly pull upwards on each clip until the bench releases from its mounts. Once both sides are free, you can lift the entire rear bench out of the vehicle. For the rear backrest, you may need to remove any bolts securing its lower section, often found in the trunk area or at the base of the backrest. After unbolting, push the backrest upwards to disengage it from the hooks at the top. Once it's free from the hooks, carefully pull the backrest away from the vehicle.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.